Hello, Hall. How are you? I just felt like sharing my few thoughts around blockchain since we have been doing quite a few webinars, and a lot of you are actually curious to know more about blockchain and what this technology exactly is. So, I was just thinking to probably do a few videos and, as well, so I could just share some knowledge around blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and my knowledge around it, just probably in a minute or so. So I was just, recently been reading this wonderful book by Alice Schroeder, which is actually the autobiography of Warren Buffett, the snowball. And what I realized is that, this billionaire is an amazing guy, but he quite, missed the wave of, internet because, he feels that the technology itself is overvalued and there is no actually underlying asset, right? So similarly, I believe that Bitcoin or the blockchain technology will be a revolution as big as internet, and it will create more and more billionaires than the world has ever imagined before, right? So just to make a point, just let me give you few examples why blockchain and Bitcoin will create more billionaires than ever before, right? So for example, before, just take an example of 1850s to 1900s, probably during the era when just industrial revolution just probably began, right? The people who were actually more in the banking space or the trade and commerce space, like basically the banks, they thrived till over 100 years from 1850 to 1950. And then we went into an era of industrial revolution, which is from 1950s to probably early 2000 and even till today, right? But we moved from industry 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0 and 4.0. People who were like in the manufacturing space, right? They were the biggest billionaires. For example, JP Morgan, they started a railroad business. You take Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway was into furnitures, it was into textile manufacturing. You take an example of Reliance Industries, they were into petrochemicals and oil refinery and all of that. So the people in the manufacturing space were the biggest magnates ever. But from 2000, when the internet revolution began, it changed drastically. Out of all the top 100 billionaires you see today, at least 50 to 60% all are tech billionaires, and this race is still going on completely. But why this is happening, right? The biggest question is why? Because of the fact that with technology, it has made information open source, and these people have innovated to a way where they are able to bring billions of people under one umbrella. Facebook, right? Billions of people under one umbrella. Lowest unit economics. Amazing, right? Similarly, technology with blockchain is going to, and Bitcoin is going to change how the money moves. Today, cryptocurrency market cap is over $200 billion. It's just been almost more than a decade, just been 10-11 years since the Bitcoin has existed, and already so many people, cryptocurrency exchanges, people who have launched their tokens, a lot of blockchain companies, startups, projects, their founders have actually turned into multi-millionaires and even billionaires. Similarly, blockchain is a technology of trust, and anything which has a potential to create trust is the biggest value exchange, is the biggest value for every humankind and every person on the planet. And blockchain is that technology which will facilitate this trust and bridge this trust and over the internet in a very secure way. And hence, I believe that blockchain and cryptocurrencies will create more billionaires because one, it is purely around internet economy. It is purely based on value exchange. And third most important thing is that it is changing the way entire money works. Guys, come on, I'm talking about something, how the money would change and how exactly money would work. And cryptocurrencies is exactly one of them. And trust me, I started to invest early in 2014, 2015 after my successful exit from an AI company. And of course, it made me a lot too. And, I could, obviously you can guess, say that it made me actually a millionaire, right? So I founded Snapper, which is one of the leading enterprises blockchain companies in India. I'm an angel investor, and also I'm an avid cryptocurrency hodler. I invest into good cryptocurrencies, good companies, and this has been my passion for about 5 years, right? So hence I believe this will do so, right? So if you're investing in cryptocurrencies, please note it's a very high risk investment. Stay away from fraud, stay away from scams, and just go and do more research about it. Just get the right knowledge. And this is my message to you. Take care, and I'll be back soon with more messages around blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much. Cheers and have a good day.